Hello, children. Today, in our reading session, we'll do reading practice. Also, we'll continue with our chapter number 7 of computers fun with paint. In the last class, we learned about the steps how to open paint. All programs, click on start button. All programs, choose accessories, then click on paint. We also learned about the parts of a window like tabs, paint button, quick access toolbar, drawing area, and the group, right? We also learned the usage of how to draw a rectangle or how to draw a circle using the rectangle tool and circle tool. Today you are going to learn drawing a straight line. Click on the Home tab, select the line tool in the Shapes group, select any color from the Colors group and the line thickness from the Size button. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area, press and hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse pointer on the drawing area. Note that a line is drawn on the screen while dragging the mouse. Release the mouse button when you want to end the line. Okay, first of all, I will explain you what it all tells about. See, this is the Home tab, right? This is the Home tab and this is the Shape group. Shape, and this is the line tool. This is the line tool, oval tool, rectangular tool, triangle tool. These are the only tools you are going to use, right? So we are going to do the line tool. So I will press the left button, mouse button, and click on this. Now I have selected the line tool. Which tool? Line tool. Now to draw a line, for example, I want to draw a box. To draw a line, I will press the button, keep pressing it and drawing. If I want till here only, now I will release the button. Again, I want to make a draw. Again, I want to draw another line. I'll press the left button. I'll keep dragging the mouse and then I will keep pressing the left mouse button, right? And now my line is done. Now I will release it. I want to draw another line. Press the button, draw, and that's it. You want to draw till here only, release. Right? So this is the way we use it. If you, by mistake, you have done something wrong, then we use eraser tool. See, this is the eraser tool. So how to use this? Same way, click. Now you want to erase this. Keep pressing left mouse button. Keep dragging. अभी आपको इतना ही करना है. So it is done and now you can release. So it is done. Right? So this is the way we use a straight line tool. Here I have told you about the line tool. You only should be able to recognize the tool. I will show you the picture of the tool, then you have to recognize. For example, this is the rectangle tool, oval tool, line tool, and this is the size button. Now I want to draw a line here. Let me select the line tool. I want to draw a line. This is the line. Now if I want to change the size, from this size, I can change this line to this thin. See, the size of the line is changed. If again I want to change the size, I can select from here. Right? So this is the size button. It changes the size of anything you have selected. Next is erasing a drawing. I've already told you that we use eraser tool to erase anything. And what is the way? You just select the tool, keep pressing the left mouse button and drag the mouse and then release it, right? You only should be able to know, recognize which tool is this eraser tool. You need to learn these spellings too, right? Now let me tell you the other thing. Filling an object with color. Filling an object with color. Now what to do here? Let me tell you another tool. Fill with color. What is the name of this tool? Fill with color. Here the color spellings are different, COLOR, because computer understands this spelling, COLOR, color. So this tool is known as fill with color. For example, we have drawn a box here using rectangular tool. I draw a box here, right? I draw another box. Now in this area, I want to fill yellow color, and in this area, I want to fill red color. So this is a bucket kind of thing, fill with color. I will choose this tool. I want yellow color and I will select yellow color. This bucket will appear here. I press it. Click the left mouse button only, and then it will fill the color in the selected area. Now I want red color here. I will go to red color, and this bucket will come here. I'll just oh, I selected wrong color. Okay, so now this is red. You just have to press the left mouse button, right? So this is the fill with color tool. You need to know this tool, fill with color tool. Next one is selecting the brushes tool. Now brushes tool, I'll show you the brushes tool. Look at this tool, brushes. If you click this tool, you will get a variety of brushes. So whichever brush you select, for example this, it will appear in that way. Okay, so you need to recognize which tool is this brushes tool. You only have to recognize the tool. I repeat, this is the brush tool, fill with color tool, line tool, rectangle tool, oval tool, okay, and the eraser tool. Now let's do the back exercise. You have to read all these things. Paint program is used to make drawings on a computer. True, false? Yes, paint is used to make drawings on a computer. This is true. To draw a straight line, hold down the control key. No, left mouse button. So this is false. This one is true. We can draw a square using the rectangle tool. We can draw a square using rectangle tool? Yes, true. Eraser tool is used to paint the picture. No, erase. So false. Next, rearrange the jumble letters to make a meaningful word. So rearrange. This is paint, tools, oval, color, right? Okay, now next, tick the right answer. Where do you make drawings in paint? Tools group, drawing area, color group. Very easy. We make drawings in drawing area. Which tool is used to draw a straight line? Line tool, brush tool, or pencil tool? Line tool. Which tool is used to erase a drawing? Rectangle tool, eraser tool, or line tool? That's right, eraser tool. Which tool is used to draw a circle? Very easy. Line tool, rectangle tool, or oval tool? Yes, oval tool. Next one. Answer in one word. Which button is used to change the thickness of a line? Yes, yes, come on. Which button? Size button. Which tool is used to fill color in an object? Fill with color. So, you have to do this back exercise. Reading will be the part of this. So in this reading session, you are going to read all this back exercise and solve it on your own by understanding it. Right? That's all for today. Bye-bye. Take care.